Good morning, my foundations guys. I miss you guys so much. It is tough being stuck here in this house all day. I don't know about y'all if you're getting out and doing stuff, but I hope you're getting your work done for all your classes. Please make sure you're getting your work done. Guys, these are your grades, and we're doing everything we can to help you. I'm creating these amazing videos. They're really not amazing. We all know that. But hey, hopefully it helps you some. Now, what we're working on today is integers. Please, as you're watching these videos, take notes. This is just like me being in front of the classroom. I'm recording them each morning for you. It's fresh, it's live, it's me. Take notes just like you would in class. Today we're working with integers. I have on your piece of paper, please no calculators. I know that it's easy to go ahead and pull out a calculator and just get the answers and be done, but you're not learning anything if you're doing that. So today we're dealing with integers. Rule number 1, same signs, you just add and keep the sign. Write that down. Same signs, add and keep the sign. Different signs, subtract and take the sign from the bigger digit. Now, you pause this video right now and copy that down. Good, I'm glad you paused it and copied it down. So here's some examples. All right, so let's say we have -4 plus negative, I think they put the parentheses around them. Yeah, -8. -4 plus -8. Do they have the same sign? Yes, they do. So if same signs, just add and keep the sign. What's 4 plus 8? I don't care how you do it. Just don't use your calculator. If you have to use your fingers, that's okay. What I do is I go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 12. But you do it however you got to do it. So we got 12 right here. Some people would fuss at me for saying use your fingers, but hey, so you got to do what you got to do. So 4 plus 8 is 12. I really do know that fact. Now, it also says keep the sign. What's the sign? It's negative. So we're going to stick the sign right there. So that's your answer. That's it. Same signs, add them, keep the sign. Got that? All right. So then we're done with that one. So now let's do one. I'm going to just keep going here so it's there for you if you need to look at it. You can pause the video anytime you need to copy down the notes. Please copy the notes. So here we go. We've got different signs. Let me put in, how about 6 plus -2? Do they have the same sign? No. The 6 is positive, the 2 is negative. So when you have different signs, you subtract the 2 digits. So 6 take away 2, that's 4. And take your sign from the bigger digit. Which one's the bigger digit? The 6. And it's positive. So there's your answer. I'm going to give you a couple more examples. Pause it. Copy it down. All right, so we'll do the first one. -8 plus 2. Different signs, subtract. So 8 take away 2 is 6, right? Take your sign from the bigger digit. Which one's the bigger digit? Well, 8 is bigger than 2, right? So it's -6. Don't jump up here. My cat's trying to get up here because her food is back behind this. She knows I've put it back there. I've hidden it from her, and she's not happy because she's trying to get to it. All right, so the second one, they both have the same sign, add and keep the sign. 5 plus 3, 3 plus 5, that's 8. What's the sign? Negative. Got those? Okay, so this is over half of your problems. Set up like this. Copy it down, pause the video, copy it down. We got to deal with the subtraction rule. Okay, so you got the rules for addition. This is addition. Okay, got to get the subtraction rule up here. No. I'm going to have to erase it. I hope you copied it down. You can go back and watch the video again and copy it there. subtraction rule. Subtraction rules. If there's subtraction, change subtraction to addition and change the sign of the number right after it. To its opposite. See why I couldn't do it without erasing? You like my buddy here? He's helping me get through this. I bought him for my granddaughter, and I haven't had a chance to get him to my granddaughter because the one I got her for Christmas got messed up. So he's just here cheering us on. Woohoo! I haven't named him yet. Maybe you guys can come up with a name for him. Submit some remind names for me, and we'll see which name I pick. All right, so that's a way for me to know if you're watching your videos too. All right, so let's look at this. 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. All right, is it subtraction? Yes. So what do? If subtraction, you keep the first one, you change you change the sign, and you change the sign of the number right after it. Keep the first, change the subtraction to addition, change the sign of the number right after it. The way I like to teach it is it takes 2 pencil strokes. 2 pencil strokes. Only 2 pencil strokes each time you do this. Only 2. If you do 3, you've messed it up. If you do 1, you've messed it up. 2 pencil strokes. Change the sign. Change the operation to minus to plus. Change the sign of the number right after it to its opposite. Simple. All right? Then you do your basic, what we just learned, your integer rules. If the same sign, add, keep the sign. If different signs, subtract, take the sign of the bigger one. These are different signs, right? Because that's it's hard to read my blue. I need to get some more markers, don't I? All right, so they're different signs. So 5 take away 2 is 3. Take the sign of the bigger digit. The bigger digit is a 5. So it's going to be negative 3. All right, let's do another one. Give y'all a tough one. Negative 4 minus negative 7. All right, negative 4 minus negative 7. What did I tell you? 2 pencil strokes, 2 pencil strokes only, right? Just 2, but always 2. If you have subtraction, you got to change the subtraction to addition, change the sign of the number right after it. Change subtraction to addition, change the sign of the number right after it. So we're going to keep the first one. We're going to change the subtraction to addition. I need to use a different color. Now that blue's not showing up. I'll try this green. Change subtraction to addition. 1 stroke. See that 1 stroke right there? 1. Change the sign of the number right after it. 2 strokes. 2 strokes. This time we put 1 down, second one down. 2 strokes. And then you do, oh, you can't see it very well. I need some bigger markers. So now you just do your integer rules. Different signs, subtract, take the sign of the bigger one. So 7 take away 4 is 3. What's the bigger one? The plus. So that's your answer. 3 is not always going to be your answer. Please don't do that. Let's do one more subtraction rule. 2 strokes. Always 2. Only 2. Always 2. 12 minus negative 1. About 12 minus negative 1. 2 strokes. Count them. 2. 2 strokes. 2. 2. Is it subtraction? Yes. Boy, I wish I had a bigger marker. Is it subtraction? Yes. So we're going to keep the 12. Do not change the 12. Change the subtraction to addition. Change the sign of the number after it. 1 stroke. 1 stroke. So now we have 12 plus 1, right? 12 plus positive 1 is 13. I'm going to do one more because I want you to see, not make an assumption that it's one way and not the other. So let's do 10 minus 13. 10 minus 13. Keep, change, change. Right? How many strokes? 2. On this one, watch it happen. Gosh, I wish I had another color. All right, so change, keep the 10, change the sign right here, do addition, change the sign of this to its opposite. 2 strokes. 2 strokes. Always 2. Change the operation from addition to subtraction. Change the sign of the number right after it, not the one in front of it, after it. Hope you got that, guys. By the way, this would end up being -3. I keep ending up with 3s. I don't mean to, but I keep ending up with 3s. All right. You guys have a great day. I hope you took notes. Go back and watch it as many times as you need. I miss you. Can't wait to see you guys again.